Good morning and welcome to our final day here in Davao City. Today we're off to Samal Island on a boat tour with the rest of the team. We're just walking down now. We've stocked up, we've got all our food, all our drinks to take on board, and the boat is basically going to take us around the island, stopping off at a couple of places, being able to have a barbecue on the boat and go swimming. Let's enjoy today's boat trip around Samal Island. Going to shore then was pretty cool. You could see all the starfish. The sand was so white and clear, and now it's time for lunch. It is definitely a bit choppy here. Carlo, who's just behind me, doing a great job trying to barbecue the food while the boat's literally bouncing from side to side. So we're just off the coast now of Pearl Farm. That's usually where all the big celebrities go and stay. One thing about the water here, it stings a little bit. We've got one more stop to go, but it's also starting to rain, so let's jump back on the boat and head to that final stop. So like I mentioned, there's a few of us on this trip, so let me now introduce a few of our team and where they're from in the Philippines.
Hi, my name is Eddie, and I'm from Bislig, Surigao del Sur. However, I'm currently living in Davao City.
What's one word I should know?
Grabe or grabe.
What does that mean?
Grabe means too much.
I'm from Antaya, from Laguna, Philippines. Parine,
What does that mean?
come here. Yeah.
I am Carlo J. Evangelista. I'm from Davao City, Philippines. Bossing! Like salamat bossing!
My name is Erwin Roy and I'm from Tagum City, Philippines. Mayong buntag, it means good morning. Yeah.
Just call me Yok Yok from Tagum. Matsalam. Salamat. Thank you.
For anybody watching this wanted to come on this boat tour, we hired it privately. Let me just go and speak to the guy that we hired it from so we can give you a little bit more information on how you can also book this yourself. What's the name of the company?
Yeah, see us on Facebook, Ana Patricia Tours Motor Yacht.
So we've been back, we got showered, we got changed. I've put a load of aftersun on because I've burnt so bad. But we've come down to City Mall in Cabantian to get some food. Tomorrow we're back on the road. We're going to Enchanted River and then we're off to Surigao City, I think it is. Until then, cheers for watching and we'll see you all in the next video.